Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I will be displaying the July giveaway prize. If this is your first time joining me, I have been giving out nail products every month. I'll have all the links to the videos from January through June of what I've been giving away and who have won them. So first, shout out to all of my channel members. I appreciate you for being a channel member. If you would like to join my membership, it's only 99 cents a month. I'll have that link in the description as well. I appreciate each and every last one of my subscribers as well. Thank you so much for all being cuticle cuties. Now let's get straight into the video. For the month of July, the giveaway prize will be this package from Modelones. Let's go over some giveaway rules. The July giveaway will run from July 13th through July 27th. You must be subscribed. You must like this video. If you have a channel, it is required that you share this video to your community wall. I want to be able to see it on your community wall. If you do not have a YouTube channel, please share this video to another social media. Please. You must come back to this video and comment done. Once I verify, I will comment entered, thank you, and good luck. Upon winning, you must be willing to give me your P.O. box or an address so I can mail you your winnings. Winner will be announced July 28th. The winner will have 48 hours to acknowledge the win, or another winner will be selected. If you are not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Turn on your notifications so you never miss when I drop a video or go live. I've had 2 winners not acknowledge their win, and I've had to select another winner. Don't let this be you. Please subscribe and turn on those notifications. Now let's see what's in this package. The first thing we have is a lamp. And by the way, guys, this video is not sponsored. I have purchased this to give it away. We have a UV lamp so you can dry your nails. There is a manual. Please read. If you are not familiar with how to operate, this is the instructions. We have a base coat. We have a matte top coat. And we have a glossy top coat. This is the wire for the LED lamp. We have a package of goodies, some nail brushes, dust brush, files, cuticle oil, a nail clipper, a cuticle pusher. I won't open it. I'll keep it in the package. We also have the little toe separators. A whole package of goodies. I'll keep it in the package. We have a product catalog. Have some glitter for some nail art. We have more nail art, striping tape. Yes, we have some bling, more striping tape, some beautiful stickers. There is gel polish manual, so you can know how to use polish, how it can last longer. You get better results with gel polish. And lastly, we have this kit with 12 different polishes from Modelones. Nice blue. Nice green. Looks like a nice fall collection, so just in time for fall. Nice glitter. I will not open them all. Ooh, nice. If you look at the tops, it indicates the color on the bottle. So you can see that is 12 beautiful colors of Modelones gel polish. The bottles are 7 milliliters, so it's a nice size. And with this gel polish, before you want to first put your base coat on, it comes with the kit. And if you want to top it off with a glossy finish look, here is your top coat. If you want to leave it matte, this is the matte top coat. If you decide you want to put stickers on it, you can add stickers. If you decide you want to put striping tape on top of your color, you can put striping tape, gold or silver. If you decide you want to add a little razzle dazzle bling, you got a package of bling. If you decide you want to add some glitter flakes, you have some glitter flakes. And in order to do all those nails, you want to prep everything. And this is your prepping kit. Finishing it off with some cuticle oil, a package of cuticle oil, and this lamp to cure all of your beautiful nails. Guys, this kit is all compliments of RX Nails. I went over the entry rules. I want to wish everyone a good luck. Like I stated, the winner will be selected on July the 28th. That's all I have for you guys today. See you in my next video. Thank you. Bye-bye.